It's that ugly delicious.
Or a delicious mess.
Coming soon, Netflix.
It's Sugar Shack season and we got ourselves a Sugar Shack box. We're gonna taste the food, what's inside of here, and after that, it's gonna inspire G to make a Sugar Shack pizza. Open it up.
Oh my gosh, it's huge. So we have potatoes, then we have baked beans in a nice croûte. We have a nice traditional omelet, nice little pain brioche, meatloaf stuffed with the foie gras. This is our upside down, turn it over dessert.
Okay.
This is the soupe au pois, pea soup in English. And this is a beautiful little accompaniment for everything.
All right, what's the plan?
Okay, so the plan is we're gonna make this.
Bake it or heat it up?
We should heat it up.
Assistant chef. Assistant
Yay.
chef. Oh.
Look at that. Are you ready, Andrew? Because I'm ready.
Cha-ching.
Chin chin. I'm gonna have a little bit of egg. Let's do some egg. Some cheesy egg omelet.
Tastes like the raclette cheese. Like it. Foie gras. Some of you might not want to eat this, but I do love foie gras. That was very nice. So here we have the pineapple upside down cake.
Upside down.
Really like the cranberry. Very nice. We just finished eating Martin Picard's Sugar Shack box.
Delicious.
Absolutely delicious. Now it's time for G to make a Sugar Shack pizza. Let's start with the savory one.
So in Rome,
Yeah.
all throughout Italy, but Rome specifically, we have this really cool pizza with potatoes.
Okay.
Potatoes, rosemary, black pepper. And we're gonna make it a little bit rectangular, square, the pizza. So we're gonna do it alla pala. Alla pala means in the shovel. We're gonna take some mozzarella. I like making cubes. I'm cubist, it's Picasso. The potatoes. The fact is that we have some lardon and some cheese already from the eggs. Take some rosemary.
Ooh. Oh, I see the bubbles.
We're gonna use this beautiful cheese called Louis d'Or. It's been aged for 2 years from Quebec.
Okay.
Touch of olive oil. And boom, we have our cabana à sucre, Italo-inspired.
You know what? I'm gonna take this one here. This one's calling my name.
All right, you go for it.
Oh, tag team action.
Yes. And let me add some for you.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy. Oh my God.
I approve. You know what? Life's not so bad when you're eating pizza.
Especially when you're eating pizza with good people.
Thank you, brother. Okay. What's next?
I think we have this dessert.
Yeah.
But to go with this, we're gonna make a pizza with dessert, for dessert, as dessert.
So sweet pizza?
A sweet pizza, exactly.
Let's do it.
But I don't want any like traditional form necessarily.
Okay.
We're just gonna have fun with it.
So it's gonna be very abstract.
We're gonna put it in the cooler side of the oven, which is right here. And while that's baking, we're gonna prepare our kidney bean paste
Oh, interesting.
and the maple dulce de leche.
Say it one more time for me.
Dulce de leche. We're gonna take our pizza,
Yes.
our pizza bianca. We're gonna take a touch of this dulce de leche. I'm gonna take some whipped ricotta, just a little bit, as a base,
All right.
okay? And now we have this dulce de leche bean paste.
But let's see how it tastes. Very good.
Surprising.
It's Sugar Shack season. Please support your local Sugar Shacks and support your local restaurants or ghost kitchens like GPizzas. If you want the best pizza in Montreal, I'm telling you, the best pizza, go to GPizzas.com, order some food, get your pies. Anything else you want to add?
Make pizza, not war.
Love it. Please check out these other great videos and subscribe to this channel because after all, you know, the pizza man and I love you.